Assam-Tripura border police in Patharkandi arrested two brothers hailing from Tripura's Panisagar after intercepting a significant shipment of illicit Yaba tablets late Thursday night. The security forces seized an estimated 10,000 Yaba tablets from their possession. The street value of the confiscated contraband is pegged at approximately 50 lakh rupees in the regional black market. The breakthrough came following the precise intelligence input acted upon the Assam police. Manas Jyoti Boro, the officer in charge of Patharkandi police station, led a special police team to set up a tactical checkpoint in the Sonakira area along the Assam-Tripura Alternative National Highway. During the checking, police flagged down a suspicious Tripura-bound Hyundai i10 vehicle bearing registration number TRG B70227. A thorough search of the vehicle led to the discovery of a cleverly designed secret chamber. Inside this hidden compartment, officers recovered a large package containing 5 smaller packets. Each pocket held exactly 2,000 pills, totaling 10,000 highly addictive Yaba tablets. Preliminary interrogation revealed that the duo had procured the drug consignment from Karimganj in Assam and were transporting it back across the border into Tripura and distribution. The arrested individuals have been identified as Maruf Islam and Rahul Uddin, both residents of Panisagar under the North Tripura district. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.